was just getting my ingredients out and I thought I didn't have cornstarch. Thank goodness I found it. So I have everything. I'm gonna start putting it together. Also, it's already, like I said, 8 p.m., 8:30 now, 8:20, and this recipe says it takes 50 minutes to cook. So I was hoping to cook more than one thing, but that's obviously definitely not gonna happen. So I'll put this in the oven and then I might just make some cookie dough that I can put in the fridge and make the cookies, bake them up tomorrow. This is also a vegan pumpkin pie recipe, so I'm using almond milk, and my mom actually got this vanilla almond milk, and so we'll see how that comes out because it didn't say vanilla. It'll be extra sweet. And the reason why I'm having to cook tonight late is because it was just so crazy with the kids. I really like that it says I can just put it all into a blender. I feel like that makes it, I don't know, faster somehow. Probably not, because now I gotta wash the blender, but anyway. Let's see, will this fit on here? Oh, man. See what else I can get done. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna put all this stuff away and clean all these dishes because I'm afraid I'm gonna run out of steam tonight and I might just start up again tomorrow morning. Instead of starting cookies or something else, I decided I'm just gonna clean the kitchen. So I wiped down the counters, vacuumed, and now I'm just going to do a little bit of mopping only because I see lots of little spots and things that I haven't been able to get to cleaning these floors in a while. So I'm gonna do that now. When the kitchen is clean, it is so much easier to get things done, as we all know. And that is why I decided it would make so much more sense to work on cleaning this kitchen and getting it ready for the morning while this pie baked. And I just had that last minute idea that I'd be able to make the cookies, but as I started to run out of steam, I thought I'll just start up again in the morning. Thanksgiving Day for us has always been a really relaxing day because we normally either go to my parents' house or my parents come to our home for Thanksgiving lunch/dinner. We usually have an early Thanksgiving feast, so normally around 3 to 4 o'clock we eat. It turned out today it was a little bit later, but I decided to get up in the morning, get completely ready, and start tidying up before I did any of the kitchen stuff. That way, at least I know I'm ready, that's out of the way, and our home is ready, so everything else can just be focused on getting the food done and on the table by a certain time. And the nice thing again about it just being us is if it goes a little later than expected, that's okay. We always just try to have the goal of eating somewhat early, so then if it does get delayed, there's no problem. We're not eating super late. And this is Levi's first Thanksgiving and he is crawling. I absolutely love these moments, cherishing the firsts of everything, and he's just all over the place now, so we really have to watch him closely. Don't worry, I'm not letting him use this cord for very long. He's just happy to be able to touch it for a second. This morning I got up and baked a pie, and some things I do homemade and a lot of things I don't do homemade. This is thanks to Sarah Lee. All you have to do is put it in the oven, so that was very easy. But I wanted to have this done ahead of time and just out of the way. And I did decide to hang the new wreath that I got, even though we're still in November, you know, but I wanted to have that lit up. I think it'll be really pretty. And I just got done doing some vacuuming and a little bit of tidying. And it's what my mom and I joke about, just getting the big chunks. So I'm not actually cleaning my whole house. I'm just getting the really obvious stuff that is on the floor and changing the tablecloth and little things like that. We're gonna make cookies. We have this recipe. Who knows where it came from?
I found it online because it was a 1 bowl recipe.
If you have a blog or do recipes, did you type this up yourself?
No,
you
I
typed it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say have a print out with your name on it because then you don't know.
Yeah, I think I changed a couple things.
Oh, then it's our own original.
I don't remember what I changed, so I added chocolate chips instead of raisins, that you could do both.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah. That's
no wonder it didn't taste good. Oh my gosh.
Because it was a whole cup of chocolate chips, it was too much. They were.
I kept saying like, it tastes funny because it's got cinnamon and then chocolate chips. It's a weird, that was you.
Or maybe it was a chocolate chip. No, it was a chocolate chip recipe. I added the raisins. Because you got those.
Or you added the cinnamon or the nutmeg?
No, that was all the same. But you know, it was a chocolate chip because you bought those chocolate chips, and I thought I want to find a recipe to make.
I thought you meant you added the chocolate chips.
No, I added the raisins.
It tastes better as a raisin recipe rather than chocolate chip because it has cinnamon and nutmeg in it, and cinnamon, nutmeg plus chocolate
is really rich.
Oh, thought.
Yeah, that.
Did you add the words easy peasy?
Yes.
I knew it. So she hasn't changed the recipe. She added the words easy peasy. Yeah. I knew it. That has to be you.
No, I wrote it all out. Spoon blops. Nobody says blops but me.
Well, I thought it was some girl who talks like us. Spoon blops onto the cookie sheet.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy, matey. She even writes at the bottom, you might want to make a double recipe because these go fast. This is literally typed up for you.
Yeah, it
and
is.
Me.
Yeah, it is. I took the recipe, I saw it online.
But you wrote it as if someone else was going to be reading this. Like, you might want to make 2 recipes.
For you. I made it for you and me. I'm thinking Greece. It's probably Japan. All right. Mayoko.
It says Sonoma, California.
Or California. Japan, Greece, or California.
Okay, so we're going to have to melt that down, I think, a little, though.
I saw an interesting way to melt it down. You could either stick it on your armpit for a while.
Please.
Oh, okay. Or else,
oh my gosh, is that a joke?
Yes. That was my joke. Put the hot bowl or jar over the butter.
Upside down over the butter.
You pour the water out first.
Yeah. I'm gonna do 3/4.
That's a cup and a half.
75. See, is that wet or dry or what? Totally didn't work.
It's
Do
hard.
not try it.
It's hard.
Put the butter in that bowl and then put it in the microwave.
Oh.
That hack that she taught everyone.
It did work for me before, but this is a big thing of butter.
We're making cookies. Never mind, we gotta make a whole turkey dinner. Okay, now we are peeling the sweet potatoes. Pre-made rolls makes life easy. You still have to make a mushroom gravy. What was the other thing you said? Mashed potatoes are done. Stuffing is done.
Mash the yams.
Mash the yams. Finish that. So
just microwave the green beans. Cheater.
my mom got microwave green beans. Oh my gosh. Okay.
If they like the marshmallows, they're almost gone. Remember the time we did the cinnamon rolls? It shot all over us, all over our faces, all over the walls.
All over the wall.
Okay, here we go.
Now whenever I do the cinnamon rolls, I put a towel over it because they shoot sky high.
Oh, there you go. Hey, sugar in there?
Yeah. So hot. Oh my god. We're doing a mushroom gravy vegetable broth, onion, mushrooms,
flour.
and cook it up, add some flour. Over here we have the stuffing ready to be heated up, mashed potatoes ready to be heated, and sweet potatoes ready to be heated. And then in here we have the rolls. And then as soon as those are done, we're putting the turkey cutlets in. I'm so happy that I hung this wreath because now that it's lit up, it just adds that extra sparkle to the background of our Thanksgiving dinner. And I'm also super excited to start decorating for Christmas and just make our home look really festive and fun. I hope all of you had a fantastic Thanksgiving and had fun with family and friends, because that is what life is all about. Thank you so much for joining me today and joining my mom today too, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!